Hi everyone. Today's topic is percentages. So percentages in simple terms, it is said as for every hundreds. A literal explanation of a percentage. For every hundreds, and if there are two variables, we are comparing the two variables like how it is relatively larger or smaller with each other. For example, five percentage of population in a village or graduates. A very simple, as I already said, for every hundreds percentage we are calculating. If you take 100 people, 5 people will be graduates. This is the very basic understanding of percentages. From this example, we are identifying that 5 percentage for every 100 samples, 5 people will be graduates. So this is a very basic understanding of percentages. So percentages we are using in our normal day-to-day life, like when we are going for some cloth shop for discount or some percentages whatever you are getting in your examination. So day-to-day life we are using in these things. One is for like discount percentage and another one is like your marks whatever you are getting in your examination. So these are like real-time things you had seen till now in your life. This is a few example like discount percentage and marks percentage. So before that, I will explain you some three concepts of percentage so that you can clearly understand the three examples and then we can move to the problems. Before getting into those three examples, I will tell you the standard reference table for percentages. So this is in standard reference table. I'm going to tell that you should have to remember when you're solving the percentage problems. So this is a standard values, standard reference table for percentage. On the whole, the one is said to be 100%. So 50% is represented by 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is 33 1 by 3 percentage. So 1 by 4 is the quarter which is 25% and 1 by 5 is 20%. And 1 by 6 is 16 2 by 3 percentage. At this stage, you just remember with these standard values, this can be used as a reference when we are solving the problems. This is the first example. Find 20% in 2500. These kind of sums we had already came across normally. So 20% in 2500. This is the whole number 2500. From that we have to take 20%. So the very simple conventional method is 20 by 100 into 2500. So for every hundreds we are taking 20. That's what we explained previously. Percentages for every hundreds. By solving this, you will get 500 as the answer. So find 20% in 2500. So 2500 is the number. We are finding 20% out of that. That is 20 by 100 into 2500. So answer is 500. As we had seen the standard reference table, in that case we had read like 20% is 1 by 5th. So if I take 1 by 5th of 2500, that is again 500. So 20% is equal to 1 by 5th of the value. So I am taking just 1 by 5th of 2500. So which is 500 is the answer. This is the first example. Then we'll move to the second one. Let us get into the second example. If 2% of a number is 50, find the number. In the previous example, a number is given. We are taking out some value, some percentage from that number. In this case, the number itself missing, but some percentage of the number is 50. It is given. So 2% of the number is 50. With reference to the previous example, 2 by 100, the number is missing x. If you take it out, it is coming as 50. So by solving this, x is equal to 50 into 100 by 2, that is 50 that is 2500. So in the previous case, we had the number, from that we had taken out certain percentage and we got that result. Now they gave the result but the number is missing, so we are finding what is the number. Based on the question given, it is 2% is 50. This is the conventional way of solving the question. The shortcut is, if 2% is 50, 1% is 25. So dividing 2 on the both the sides. 2% is 50. So dividing 2 on the both the sides, 1% will be 25. So the number on the whole is 100%. So 100% is 2500. This is a very useful shortcut. Whatever may be the percentage, you can reduce to 1%, then whatever it is needed, it may be 65%, it may be 35%. Accordingly, you just have to multiply, that's it. So this is the second type of an example. If some certain percentage of a number is given, you are finding the what is the number. So we'll move on to the third example. The third example is, what percentage of 1800 is 450? Now the number is given. If you take some percentage, it is coming as 450. So we need to find what is the percentage of the 450 is in 1800. So the same thing that we had seen in the previous two examples. Here percentage is missing, so I am putting it as x. X by 100 into 1800 is equal to 450. That means if I take some percentage from this number, that is equal to 450. I need to find the x value, that will give what percentage of 1800 is 450. We are striking out 18 and 450. So we are getting 25%. So that 25% of 1800 is 450. If you take 25% of 1800, the answer will be 450. These are the three standard examples for percentages one student has to understand. The first example is, we are taking some percentage from a given number, and second one is 2% of a number is 50. This is what the example we had seen. So the number is unknown, but some percentage of the number is given. We have to find out the number. The third case is, the percentage is missing, but if you take some, what is the percentage of the value, the extracted value in the given value, we have to find. These are the three basic fundas for percentages. If you are clear with it, it is easy to do with the problems.